What happens if you have a document and you really want to understand how this document is built? What objects do I have on the page? Is this text on the page, or has it been converted to vector elements? What is the font that is used, and so on? How do I deal with that? Well, pdfToolbox has what it calls an object inspector, which you find under the View menu. The object inspector, as I move the mouse over the document, will highlight the objects that it is moving over. And so I can click on one of them, and then on the right-hand side, and I will zoom in to show what happens, on the right-hand side I have the full stack of objects that the mouse is over. PDFs consist out of different layers, Z order if you want, and I see all the objects that the mouse is overlapping at that point. So for example, I have a text line here, and if I zoom out and I show you the preview at the bottom, it is indeed that chapter 1 text line that I can see on the page. And now I can examine the different properties for the text line. What is the font that is used? Well, it happens to be a Roboto font. It happens to be TrueType. It's embedded and subsetted. It is device CMYK, pure black, and so on and so on. And for each of the objects I have on the page, I can now do this and examine them. What I can also do at the bottom of this window is I can say, oh, but I don't want to see the text. So let me switch off the text. And as you can see, it is now gone from the page. So as a way to identify whether something is text or image or vector elements, that can be very useful by itself. Or I could choose to see the document as wireframe and understand something about the internal structure. And then lastly, there is this very nice derive check button here that I can use to create a pre-flight check based on the object that I have selected, but that's the subject of a different video.